A business needs a name that not only motivates people to buy from the company, but also inspires the team to buy into the vision and understand what the company's all about. We chose the symbol of the Longhouse. Before that, we were Keenan Beavis Consulting, and it was challenging to hire team members who wanted to be a part of that. Longhouse Media is based on the symbol of the Longhouse because it's a place where people come together and work towards a common goal in multiple cultures, like in indigenous culture or in Viking societies. And that's what we're all about at Longhouse, growing businesses together. Whether it's as a team or with our partners, we get great results. We're growing year over year. There have been times where we've doubled and years where we've grown by 40 to 50%, but the common thread is that we don't get smaller, we just keep growing. There are probably many reasons for that, but at the core of it, clients don't fire someone who's making them money. We're the #1 search result in our city for many different keywords, whether someone in the region's looking for digital marketing company, digital marketing agency, web design, search engine optimization, social media management, or video production, we're one of the top results, if not the top result. We're all about two things that lead to a third. First, we make people look great. Websites, photos, videos, branding. And then when something looks great, we need to get them seen. That's all about getting eyeballs. To get businesses seen, we use advertising on all the platforms as well as search engine optimization so that people show up on search engines for the search terms that they want. When a business looks great and gets seen, they make a lot of money. There are two types of marketing companies, and we're the second one. The first is more common. You have maybe 1 up to 3 people who are essentially salespeople and or project managers, and they outsource all of the fulfillment overseas. Sometimes you can't blame them. You can get a website designed very cheaply in the Philippines or Pakistan or India. However, the quality may not be as good. There are so many considerations that business owners here really want that they will pay for. Other marketing companies can design a website, but are they developing the back end so that it works for search engine optimization? Are they putting in that extra effort? Are they running the project as if it was a web design project for their own business? That's what we do. That's what makes our type of marketing company different. We do everything in-house so that the quality can be better. People always ask why we don't just specialize in web design or search engine optimization. It's because we're fully integrated. All of these services that we've chosen to focus on tie together when we're running an ad campaign. The campaign doesn't work if the ads click through to a website that is slow to load or is not optimized to convert a visitor into a customer. Similarly, if you don't have advertising assets like photos, videos, and graphics that catch people's attention as they're scrolling on their phones, maybe on Facebook or Instagram, you're not going to get the click in the first place. So we need to do all of these things. We need to have all of these services so that we can guarantee the results that our company's known for. There are things that we can't do. We can't close the sale for our clients. We're not the person on the other end of the phone. And we can't ensure that our clients necessarily provide a good service that would turn that customer into a lifetime value customer. But we can get someone to try any business one time. And when we do that, our clients, who are generally very awesome entrepreneurs, do a good job for their clients. Those clients keep coming back. They make money and we get paid money in the process. We're a 7-figure business. We're doing pretty well because we focus on quality. There are challenges in any business. I talk to business owners all day, every day, and challenges change every day. Sometimes I don't sleep very well. Sometimes I need to focus on getting sales. Sometimes I need to focus on operations. Sometimes we need to focus on hiring and training and doing research and development so that our products are still ahead of the curve, which allows us to keep our clients ahead of the curve. And we're in the internet marketing space, which is changing all the time. We get asked, like, should I use TikTok? Should I use Instagram? Should I use Facebook? Is X good now that it's not Twitter? We have to keep our products ahead of the curve so that our clients still keep making money year over year. Other challenges that I mentioned include hiring, especially in some industries. Fortunately for us, maybe because we're young and fun and we're a flexible, cool workspace, when we put up a job post, we get 150 applicants. But of those, maybe 5 to 10 are decent and worth interviewing. Whereas a lot of our trades clients can't get anyone who wants to be a plumber right now. They can't find anyone who wants to be an electrician or get this one company that does septic tanks. No one wants to go down into a septic tank, and that's a job that pays very well. And then even once you hire them, do you have a training program? Do you have the time and the capacity to train them up to your quality standard? And at that point, it turns into an operations problem. Do you have the systems, procedures, quality control in place to ensure that you maintain that great reputation that your company probably has? Every day has different challenges in running a business, and I've seen a lot of them. And I'm going to document some of them on this YouTube channel. There are 3 phases in any era of a business. Maybe you're in the sales and lead generation phase, which includes marketing, or you're in the hiring, training, and research phase. Or the third one is the operations phase, where you're refining your systems and procedures so that you can maintain quality with those employees. In any era of a business, you're going to be in one of these 3 phases. First, you need sales, but once you have too many sales, you need the people to fulfill the orders. So you need to hire them and train. And then once you've hired people, they're never going to work quite as much as you as the business leader. If you have someone that does, keep them and pay them a lot of money. But in order to maintain that quality standard, you need to enter the operations phase. When you think of business in this circle and you put people in charge of each phase, your business will grow much faster. It's like pouring fuel on a fire. Right now, my business is in the operations refinement phase, and that comes with so many unique challenges that while watching this channel, you're gonna get to see me tackle. We have the people, and they're great people. But now we need the systems and procedures and quality control for them to succeed. It's not fair as a business owner to expect them to succeed if you haven't put in the effort to make these processes and systems work for them. Once that's done, we're gonna go into the next lead generation phase, which is the start of a whole new era in a business. I've seen all these business problems before. Any of these business problems that you're tackling, I've probably already gone through them maybe once, twice, 3 times. And if you watch this channel, you're gonna see these problems be tackled in real time in a real way. We're going to have multiple episodes that show every aspect of running a business. You're going to meet my team, you're going to be a part of my meetings, and you're going to see the unique challenges that I face day in and day out. And you're going to get to celebrate with me when we get some success. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave your questions in the comments below.